So on today's video here, I'll be giving this AI website builders the same prompt to see which one can clone this website perfectly fine. So on today's video, we'll be cloning a particular website, and I'm going to show you how the original one looks like. Then we'll compare it with what this 3-page builder gives to me. So the page builder will be using Lovable, PageAI, and VO by Vercel. So let me give them the prompt. So I'm going to give them the exact prompt. I'm going to give all of them the exact prompt, so it will not look as if, okay, maybe I'm cheating one. So I have the prompt already. I'm just going to paste it here. So the prompt is, I want you to clone this website. That's this particular website here. Then give the same prompt to this one again. Then the same prompt to this one. Click on submit. This one will start its work. Click on submit. This one will start its work. Then click on submit. So 3 of them basically are working now. As you can see, VO by Vercel has started doing its work. So it has started generating the app page, whereas Lovable, I don't know, this is working. So Lovable has not started basically. So let's just do it. For PageAI, so PageAI has started generating your page. Okay, let's just wait. So it's generating the page and it has started working. Okay, this is going well, this is going well. Then for view by Vercel, this has started already, so it's doing its work. Let's see the one that works best. One thing I noticed is view is kind of fast. I think one is done. Wow, mad. This is really nice. This is nice, I'm not going to lie. So this is really, and it's just so clean. So this is view by Vercel. So it has finished everything, nothing to log on the console. So let me see if this navigation works. Just at the header, the image, the hero section image is not really working. But I'm not sure if this navigation works. TV shows, okay, navigation does not work. That's cool. So I'll just leave it here. So let me just check the rest. So I think the first person to, or the first website to build this, to clone this, is View by Vercel. So let's just put it one side. Oh, put it here. Then let's see what this one has. PageAI. So this one wanted to create something similar, but it's not really cloning the website. Creating something related to it, but not just the website at all. So this is something entirely different. This Streamflix, it wants to have same pattern as Netflix, but at the same time, it's more like you're leaving your main task and you're doing something else. Yeah. So it's doing something else entirely. So let me see the last one. Lovable was the issue. So Lovable did not load. So I'm just going to refresh it. Let's see. Preview. So I think this is having some issue. This particular Lovable is having some issue. So I'll just give it some time to see what the problem is, to know what the problem is exactly. But so far so good. We have this. So I'm going to let me just open the main Netflix website, so you have an idea of how it looks like. So Netflix. So this is Netflix website. This is how Netflix looks like. This is how it looks like. That's the website I asked them to clone. As you can see, this is neat. This has the full screen width. That's 100% VH. Once you load this, the first thing you're going to see. But let me just minimize this, then see what Vercel did for us. So Vercel tried, I'm not going to lie. So let me just close this. So Vercel tried to some extent. So they wanted to do something similar, something related to the Netflix. Let me just set the Netflix here. So this is the original website, and this is what Vercel did. So I think Vercel actually did well. This is smooth. It has this over animation. So just zoom out. So Vercel tried. I'm not going to lie. I'm impressed actually. I'm very impressed. Just that this now bar, this hero section is not working. So let me just reprompt it to work on the hero section. So let me just say make the hero make the hero section image to show. So let's see if it will want to redo the whole thing. But as we're waiting, let's just check other ones. So this stream 360 here, nothing changed. I cannot reprompt you. Let me check for responsiveness. I think they gave me the not bad. This responsive. Let's see mobile. Oh, this link, is this working? No, it's not working. So I think Vercel is done. So I'll just check now. Color palettes. I'm looking for Netflix kind of. Let me see if I'll change it anymore. So I can be able to change the colors. But that's not me. That's not what me I want. So I can see the code. I need the paid version to see the code. Oh well. Then the design, everything, preview. So can I download? I'm not sure. If I want to download, I think it's paid for. Yeah, so I have to upgrade. So PageAI, basically you have to upgrade before you can download the code. Or can I deploy? Let's see. I still have to upgrade again before I can deploy. So these are the two downsides for this particular page builder. So still giving me what I want, and I feel everything is just paid for. So I will not be using this, no offense. So you cannot just use PageAI for somebody that is still coming up, somebody that just wants to, like, okay, maybe try something new or try something simple. I don't know why Loveable is not working. Code viewer. So it's giving me my codes. Welcome to your blank app. Start building your. So these are not my code basically. So let me give it the same prompt again. Let's see what it will. I want you to clone this website. So let's see. Maybe it will work now. Okay, so it's working. So let's just give it some time. Give it some grace period. Yeah, let me put it like that. So let's just wait for Loveable to build. So let's see what Loveable has to give to us. But regardless, this VO by Vercel. So this Vercel, this VO by Vercel. So I prompt this particular one to change to give us a background image, and this is the background image gives us, and this is really nice. I'm not going to lie. So the advantage of using VO by Vercel or VO.dev is that you can be able to download your code. Yeah, I know for sure. So you can be able to download your code and run it locally on your system. So it's a big win. if you can be able to like just download your code and run it locally, because you want to like change some things, you want to make it look like yours, or you want to deploy it to your own personal GitHub account. So you have it in Netflix clone.zip. If I should unzip it, you're going to see all the files there and everything. So these are not really working basically, but you can still prompt it to do something when you click on it. So once you click on it, you want it to go to that particular page and bring you details about the movie. So things like that, you can actually do it. So this is the Netflix page from Vercel. So this is what they gave to us. You can from here share. I think you can deploy. So you can actually deploy, but I'm not going to do this. Yeah. And you can actually share to your friends to edit some things if they want to edit and play with it basically. So you can share the link to anyone. So these are things that Vercel will give that makes it very, very good. That's why it's still one of the best AI page or website builder or web app builder outside. So it's very, very powerful. It's straight up good from the box. Yet it's powered by Vercel. Vercel does a very good job. They own Next.js, so probably they know what they're doing to me. So this is very, very powerful. So I'm going to check the others though. Let me just check the others. Let's see what this guy has for us. Okay, this is the building. So we are going to give this Loveable some time to see how it turns out. I hope you do a little thing good today. Oh, sorry, good stuff today. So it's done. Let's see. Mad. This is nice. This is really, really nice compared to the original Netflix. I think this was able to like create something very, very close to it, like very, very close. You see, so this is the real Netflix. So this is the real Netflix. This is the cloned Netflix. This is the real Netflix. This is the clone Netflix. So this one was cloned by Loveable.dev. So this is the website up here. So this is what Loveable was able to do. So Loveable cloned it well. Yes, cloned the pattern. So we have the same pattern here. Just that it's trending now. So let's see the trending now. So trending now, they did a little, they added more things to it. Well, so the images are not loading. I think I can reprompt it to load the images, but let's just check other things. So for the hero section, this is what we have. For the hero section for the cloned website, this is what we have. So it did a very good job to give it same width, same full screen size. Then what else? So let's see the trending now. Let's see trending now. So trending now, it made some adjustment to it. So if you are using this, you can actually be prompted to give you something the exact thing that you want. So this trending now, so let's go to this one. Then more reason to trend. So 1 2 3 4. Enjoy your TV. So the contents are basically the same. Then we move to frequently asked question. Let's see if we added the content to it. So that's nice. So frequently asked question. These are the frequently asked question. Then the footer. Let's see the footer. So the footer is somehow generic, just basic. Nothing very serious here. So they omitted this email part and all. But so far they did well. They did so great. I'm not going to lie. Then let's check the others. So for this one, if I'm to compare it to, let me compare it to Netflix. So this is Netflix. Then what this one did was just to follow the pattern. So we have the same screen size, screen height and everything. Then screen height, then move to trending now. Then we have the Streamflix experience. They remove trending now and they use this instead. So but they are following the same pattern, trending now. Then we have the Streamflix experience, more release. So it's this kind of different. Popular on Streamflix, enjoy your Streamflix. Then frequently asked questions. So they created something similar. You get, it's a movie website where you can watch movie, go to and watch movie. So they did well to some extent, but when I mean clone, I want you to like just give me the exact, no create something that looks like it. Yes. So I want you to like just give me the exact. So I think for this page AI they made a mistake there. Oh, sorry. So for Vercel, so Vercel, the reason I like this Vercel is because it's giving me the vibe, the feel. So it's giving me the feel that, oh, this website is very very legit. Yeah, it does not look like this clone website compared to this other one, compared to this what's it called, compared to the Lovable. So Lovable did a very good job following the pattern, but when I mean the feel, the fonts. So if you check out this Vercel, the font, the images, everything just looks so nice, like so legit, so um professional. It's giving this, yeah, we are legit basically. So the footer, how the footer is arranged, everything, so it's just giving this feel. And if I should compare it to the original Netflix, you're going to see the difference in pattern, but the difference in how legit it is, or originality, I don't know the word to use, but it's looking, it's not looking like something that they cloned apart from the logo, but the rest thing looks so well organized, well choosing the font, the images, how glow the background image looks like. So all these things, I'm going to compare it to the original one. So this is the original. So this is the original Netflix that I asked you to clone. So it went outside the box. It's not giving. It's giving the old version of Netflix. Sorry. So this trending now. This trending now. Stranger Things. Let me see. So we have Wednesday, Squid Game. So what this website did was to actually clone Netflix, but not the link I gave to it to clone. So it went ahead to clone another Netflix. I don't know, maybe the Netflix it can remember, but it's not the Netflix I asked it to clone. But this is a Netflix website. Like, this is how Netflix website look like. Look. So we have Wednesday, we have you. Let me see. So we have Wednesday, To Kill a Monkey, Squid Game, Old Guard 2. Wednesday, you. So this particular Wednesday, it's not the new Wednesday. So this is more like the old Wednesday movie. So it's cloning Netflix, but it's more like cloning the old versions or the old things of Netflix. So Orange in the New Black, now called The Umbrella Academy. So then Six Underground, Extractions. These are more like old movie. Then the Old Guard. The Old Guard is old movie Netflix. So this is the new Old Guard. So we have the new Old Guard 2. So that's it basically. For me, if I'm going to rate which one did best or which one cloned, perfectly fine. I'm going to pick. Will I say? I'm still going to pick. Let me just check again. So for me, I'm going to pick the website that almost did something to what I like. I'll still say it's Loveable. So Loveable cloned the website, the link I gave it to clone. So if you check, we have Wednesday, we have Squid Game. Not really exact, but the pattern, the structure, and all. So Loveable was able to follow it from the logo to the signing to the hero section, how everything appears. So let me just put these three side by side to see something. So I'm going to drag this Vercel, put it here. I'm going to drag this page, put it here. So this is Loveable. This is Loveable. This page AI, then this Vercel. and this is the original Netflix. So from these three, you notice that Lovable was more like the best to clone it properly. So me, if they ask me which website do you think, or from these three, which one is best for cloning, I'm going to like pick Lovable. But if I want to do a particular project, I want to just clone a website initially, then I will know that I'll have to like run it locally on my system to edit some things. I will be going with Vercel. So I'll go in with this Vercel. The reason I'll go in with Vercel is because it will be more easier for me to just edit things than push to Vercel to just more like push to production. So it will be more easier for me compared to using Lovable or Page. So I feel I might encounter some error using these two things, and it will be very hard for me to fix compared to just using Vercel, that you know that you're still going to host it on on their website. So that's for me, and perhaps it's free to download. I don't have to like pay for anything compared to Lovable, where I have to, can I see, so where I have to, okay, I can actually publish it, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to download the code. Let me see. Upgrade, manage Firebase, sync with project, publish. Let's see. So it's not giving me a place to download. Let's see the code. Upgrade to use the code editor, I have to upgrade to paid. So that's basically it. That's why I'll still be choosing Vercel. So in general, if I'm going to clone any website, for sure, probably want to use Lovable. But if I'm going to clone a website for a personal project and something I'm going to run on my system, I'm going to use Vercel. But if you ask me which website did best in cloning, I will say it's Lovable.dev. So that's all from my end. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, do it to subscribe, do it to follow, do it to share, do it to like. Till then, peace.